In this video, we're gonna unbox TVS Racing Riding Gloves. It comes from TVS and it comes in blue and white color. The size I have ordered is XL because the normal size wasn't comfortable enough for my hand. And you get two things with this glove, which is important. One is you can wipe your visor and it wouldn't leave a trace, and second is you get touch compatibility. It also comes with TPR protection for your knuckles. So without wasting any further time, let's unbox this glove and see what we get. For the pricing of 1300, this is the most premium gloves you can buy. The pricing on the tag, you can see it's about 2500, but on Amazon or on sale you can get it for near about 1300. And for that price range, this is a very premium glove that you can have with enough protection and touch compatibility. And the glove are comfortable enough that you can use it for a long time without getting any irritations and all. Because of the touch compatibility, you don't have to remove the gloves to access your mobile phone. You can use it directly with wearing your gloves, but there is a limitation. You can only use it with your first finger and the thumb. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. And if you have any further question about this glove, make sure you comment them down below. I will reply them as soon as possible.